This is my Conect 121 lathe running. It's currently controlled by mach3 turn, which is yeah, we're currently boring out some aluminium V-wheels for a sliding gate. I've already started. I've had to stop the boring bar now just to clear chips, so I'm going to start the spindle up again with a touchscreen, and then cycle start. Not optimized, but it's running, and it runs quite accurately too. This is one I did earlier. I flipped to the other side of them, but poured out nice and snug. Fits a 6000 burn. And on this side there's going to be a V cut into it, and another counter bore for another burn. So we'll see how that goes.